In a letter to the Chief Executive Officer of the National Medicines Regulatory Authority, Sri Lanka Chamber of the Pharmaceutical Industry says there are a number of serious concerns that have direct implications on the future of the industry. Citing media reports, the SLCPI says neither the manufacturing sites nor the products to be purchased are registered with the NMRA. SLCPI says the Health Minister has obtained cabinet approval to purchase a large number of pharmaceutical products for use in the state health sector from 2 manufacturers in India on an urgent basis. The Pharmaceutical Chamber questions the NMRA as to whether such a purchase is compatible with the NMRA Act of 2015. The Pharmaceutical Chamber says if such reports are true, it protests in the strongest manner possible. The Frontline Socialist Party made a revelation regarding the matter in Kandy yesterday.
The National Medicines Regulatory Authority conducts its Board of Directors meeting and other meetings at the NMRA auditorium. However, for the first time in NMRA history, a meeting has taken place at a hotel in the evening, as opposed to the usual board meetings that takes place in the morning. This meeting was held with an item in the agenda to grant permission to Saverite Pharmaceuticals. It is clear that this is an attempt to grant emergency approval for 38 types of medicines that were not approved by the NMRA. There's a large shortage of medicines in the country. The ministry had threatened the NMRA, citing that it will be responsible if the country does not have enough medicines. They have tried getting approval. Then the head of Kaushik Pharmaceuticals has also visited this hotel, stating that he was attending a wedding. He was in Sri Lanka yesterday, and now the controversial matter has been given the green light.
What is the ground reality? Newsfirst looked into the situation regarding medicines in several areas.
There
is a shortage of Warfarin 5, a drug used to treat heart patients. There is a shortage of Fusidine 2, a medicine used to treat wounds. Almost all of these medicines, racketeers bring medicine in illegal means and sell it amidst the shortage. No one looks into the quality of the medicines they sell.
ඇත්තටම ඒවල ගුණාත්මක භාවය ගැන බලන්න කවුරුත් නැහැ.
ගොඩක් ඖෂධවල බොහොම ඉගයක් තියෙනවා. කියන්නේ මිනිස්සු ගොඩාක් ඇවිල්ලා හරි අසරණ මිනිස්සු ඒ වගේ මේවා හොයාගන්න නැතුව හරියට ලත වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මේකට මොකක් හරි පිළියමක් යොදිය යුතුමයි.
හොස්පිටල් එකෙන් කියනවා ෆාමසි වලින් ගන්න කියලා. නමුත් ෆාමසි වලින් ඇවිල්ලා බලනකොට ෆාමසි ගන්නත් නැහැ මේක. කැන්සර් හොස්පිටල් එකට එන්නේ අසන්ත අසරණලා ඒත් ඉවරයි. ගොඩ ගන්න බෙහෙත් කිසිම දෙයක් නැහැ. මැති ඇමතුරුන්ට ඇවිල්ලා කියන්නේ මේවා ඇවිල්ලා බලන්න කියලා මේ මිනිස්සු විඳින දුක.
What is the situation at hospitals?
මේ වන විට රජයේ රෝහල් පද්ධතිය තුල බාහිර රෝගී අංශයට පැමිණෙන රෝගීන් සඳහා අවශ්‍ය
There's a shortage of medicines and surgical equipment needed to treat outpatient units at government hospitals. This has never happened before. Doctors are unable to offer patient care services at an optimal level. This could lead to an increase in fatalities. Authorities must take immediate action.
ඒ සඳහා ඉතාම ඉක්මනින් කඩිනමින් බලධාරීන් නිසි පියවර ගත යුතුයි.
The Sri Lanka Medicine Distributors Association expressed the following views at a press briefing today.
Back then we urged the government to import essential medicines through the funds we receive from India. Even as of now, the NMRA has not taken steps to do so. The government must pay attention to this matter. Hospitals do not have medicines to treat patients.
Is the dollar crisis the reason behind the medicine shortage? It was revealed in the subcommittee of the Economic Stabilization National Council that of the $120 million received under the Indian credit line, only $16 million have been used to import the necessary medicines to the country. Its chairman, Partli Champika Ranawaka, said the $40 million received by the private sector for the import of medicines under the Indian loan assistance system have been used to import medicines to the country. However, the relevant money has not been fully remitted by the Health Ministry. The Aragale Niyamu organization expressed the following views today.
We know that there is a shortage of medicines in the country. While warnings of people dying on streets without medicines are being told constantly, Minister Kehele Rabukwella has visited India and fattened their pockets by giving tenders to his cousin brothers for medicine importation. The people are suffering without medicine. It was admitted today that there will be a crisis in the future. This corrupt set of people is creating this crisis. The old pack of MPs are profiting off this crisis. The extortion that started from COVID-19 has not become an art of profiting from a crisis after creating it. But the people are dying on the streets.
අද මිනිස්සු මරණ තත්ත්වයට පත් වෙලා තියෙනවා.